Hi guys, welcome to Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be guiding you through another episode of How To Thursdays, teaching you how to do bear crawls. Let's go ahead and take it down to the ground so we can get into our starting position. First up, you want your hands stacked directly below your shoulders and your knees stacked directly below your hips. Lift your knees off of the ground, and we're getting ready to begin our bear crawl. This is our starting position. We're going to move our right hand and our left leg up and alternate legs. Here we go. We're moving back and forth as we crawl with coordination, breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth, keeping our hands and knees stacked below our joints. That is how you do bear crawls. Let's go ahead and do a couple back to back just to see how they flow together. Let's crawl around the room a little bit. Again, hands are directly stacked directly below your shoulders. Knees are directly below your hips. And we engage our core and we raise our knees off the ground. Again, we move our left foot, right hand forward, and alternate legs. Feel free to walk forward and backwards. Just remember to stack your joints, and don't forget to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. That is how you do bear crawls. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe. I post instructional fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you for watching.